teachers and all my dear friends. A warm and heartfelt happy Guru Purnima to everyone. Have you ever wondered why millions of people celebrate Guru Purnima every year? It is just a day to thank our teachers, or there is a deeper story behind it. So today I am going to share the beautiful and significance of Guru Purnima. The word Guru comes from Sanskrit, Gu means darkness and Ru means the one who removes it. So a teacher is not teaches a lesson. He is also teaches. He also give. He. Sorry? So a teacher is not just a person. He is the person who removes the darkness of ignorance and fulfill our lives with the light of knowledge, wisdom and truth. Thank you. Once again, happy Guru Purnima.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and click on the bell icon.